All right, we have a nutrition label for the gummy bears, which we are going to be using in this lab. This is the Catawba Candy Company gummy bears, founded at the dollar store for $1. All right, so what we want to do is find the molarity of sugar in these gummy bears. And we're going to do that using the information on this nutrition label. So the first thing we need to know is what's the volume. So what we're going to need in it, again, in review, molarity is moles per liter. So we need to find the moles of sugar. We need to find how much of a solution we have in liters. So we have here a serving size as 30 grams. It doesn't give us a volume, but 1 gram of water equals 1 milliliter of water. So we're just going to assume that conversion rate holds true. So 30 grams is 30 milliliters. And again, this is going to give us an estimate, not an exact amount, because there are other variables to consider, but we're going to just go with this. So we need to have this in liters, though. So 1 milliliter, there are actually 1,000 milliliters in 1 liter. And so if we multiply by that conversion, it'll cancel out our milliliters, and that'll give us our liters. So that's going to be 0.03 liters. All right, so we've got the bottom part. Now we need to know the moles. And so what we're going to look for on here is sugars, all right? And we've got right here total sugars equals 16 grams of sugar. And we were already given the molecular weight. We could calculate it if we wanted to, but we're already given that. So we'll just use what we have, and this is in your lab. 1 mole of sugar is 342.3 grams. And then when we multiply by this conversion factor, our sugar, grams of sugar, cancel, and we'll be left with moles. So I have a calculator right here. I'm going to take 16 divided by 342.3, and I get 0.047 moles. All right, so that's our top part of the equation, and now we can figure out the molarity. Molarity equals moles per liter. I have 0.047 moles, and I have 0.03 liters. And so I'm just going to take 0.047 and divide by 0.03, and I get 1.55. Actually, if I round, I'm going to get 1.56 moles per liter, and we're going to abbreviate that with a capital M. Let me see if I can move this over again. So we should find a gummy bear placed in a solution that has 1.56 molarity as isotonic, and we will test that.